Hi children, this is Saujanya. Welcome to e-Manabadi. Today we are going to talk about some of the examples of area, problems on area. Let's see the some of the problems regarding area of an object. Suppose here find the area of rectangle whose length and breadth are 12 centimeters and 4 centimeters respectively. Assume this as a rectangle whose length is given as 12 centimeters. Here the length was given 12 centimeters and breadth was given 4 centimeters. You know that area of rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. So substitute those the values of length and breadth in the formula. Here length is nothing but 12 and breadth was given 4. So from this we can say that the area of rectangle is equal to 4 into 12 into 4 is nothing but 48. Here we have written the units as square centimeters. This is very important to write the units at the end, because here we are multiplying both the length and breadth with the, here the length is 12 centimeters and breadth is 4 centimeters. And you know that 12 into 4 is nothing but 48, and centimeter into centimeter is nothing but centimeter square. This centimeter square we are writing as square centimeter. And this is the unit for the area, and don't forget to write. It is like your surname. And coming to the next problem, the area of rectangular piece of cardboard is 36 square centimeters. Here, this is a rectangular cardboard having the area as 36 square centimeters. Here, the area is 36 square centimeter and the length was given 9 centimeters. And we need to find out the width of the cardboard. We don't know the width, and the area was given as 36 square centimeters. You know that area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. So from this we can find out the width. Here width is nothing but area of rectangle by length, because it is the product of length and width. If it comes this side, it will become divide. So here the area of rectangle was given 36 and length was given 9. Let's divide 9 with 36, and here 9 will go 4 times in 36. So the width was 4 centimeters. So here the width you can written as 4 centimeters. And coming to the next one, Bob wants to cover the floor of a room 3 meters wide and 4 meters long. Suppose here this is the, assume this as a room. This is the floor of a room and we need to cover this room with the tiles. Here the length of the room was given 4 meters and breadth was given 3 meters. And if each square tile is of side 0.5 meters, here the square tile side is given as 0.5 meters. So this whole room has to cover with the tiles. So the area of floor of the room equal to total area of the tiles. So here the length was given 4 meters and width was given 3 meters. You know that area of floor equal to length into width. Here the length was given 4 meters and breadth was given 3 meters, and area of rectangle is 12 square meters, because the length and width are in meters, so the area is square meters. And you know that it has given that side of a square tile is 0.5 meters. Here this area is, we have got 12 square meters, and we need to find out the area of this tile. Each tile is, here the area of each tile is nothing but, this is the square tile, so that is nothing but side into side. So this is nothing but 0.5 into 0.5. This is nothing but 0.25. So the area of square tile is 0.25 square meters. So both the areas are in square meters. So we need to find out the number of tiles required to cover the floor. Here we need to divide the area of the floor of the room with the area of square tile to find out the number of tiles that is required to cover the room with a tiles. So here the area of the floor we got as 12 square meters. This is 12 and area of square tile is 0.25. Let's remove the point, decimal point. To remove the decimal point, both the numerator and denominator has to be multiplied with 100 because after the decimal point there are two decimals, so we need to multiply with 100. Here it becomes 1200 by 25. Let's divide 1200 with 25. This 25 fours are 100 and the remainder is 20, and this 0 is coming down, and here we know that 25 edge are 200. So 1200 by 25 is nothing but 48. So number of tiles required equal to 48. And find the area in square meter of piece of cloth 1 meter 25 centimeters wide and 2 meters long. Assume this as a rectangular piece of cloth and its length was given 2 meters and width was given 1 meter 25 centimeters. Here we need to find out the area of square cloth in square meters. We need to find out in square meters, but here the width was given in meters and centimeters. So let's convert the width into meters. To convert the width into meters, you know that 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. This 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter, and we need to find out the 25 centimeters. So 25 centimeters equal to 25 by 100 meters. Here this 25 by 100 is nothing but 1 by 4 meters, and this is nothing but 0.25 meters. But here the width is 1 meter 25 centimeters. You know that 25 centimeters is 0.25 meters. So let's convert the width into meters. 1 plus 0.25 meters equal to 1.25 meters. So here the width and length both are in the units as meters, so we can find out the area of cloth piece. We know that area of rectangular cloth piece is length into width. Here length was given 2 meters and width was given 1.25 meters, and this is nothing but 2.50 square meters. Don't forget to write the units at the end of your answer. This is most important. And this is about examples of area. If you have any queries, please comment on the comment section. Please do share, subscribe and like. Thank you children.